Hello and welcome back. Today I filmed a sunrise eye look. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to prime my eyelids. Starting with the shade Comfort Zone from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hilta palette, keeping it in the crease and in the outer half. This shade ended up pulling super orange compared to how it looked in the pan, so I had to change the look up from what I was going to do. On the outer corner, I'm further deepening things up with the shade Homebuddy. This burnt orange shade is so nice and complemented the crease shade really well. Packing the shade Flawed and Odd all over the lid and bringing it back more sheer over the outer corner. This is such a pretty coppery gold shade. It's interesting to see how different shades are in the pan, compared to how they apply. Setting the brow bone with the light cream shade Certified, using it to set the concealer and soften the edge of the crease shadow. Starting my base with the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer, keeping my face moisturized so my makeup doesn't look cakey. The redness on my cheeks happens almost every time I wash my face. I don't know why, it's just angry. Lol. I decided to do the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter Shade 1 all over my face for added glow. It turned out so pretty, but it seemed to make my nose and chin a little too oily. Since I naturally get oily through my T-zone, I figured that's what would happen, but I had to test it. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to cover dark circles and some breakouts. My dark circles have been so bad lately, I've been having to layer on the concealer. For a little extra coverage, I'm using my half and half mix of the Halo Glow and my Revlon Colorstay foundation in shade 110. I wanted a lot of coverage today, especially under the eyes and on any scarring. For blush, I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose. I need to get more of these, they're so pretty. Setting my base with the Halo Glow. Setting powder in shade Light with the Halo Glow Powder Puff. I definitely should have set my T-zone with the Coty Airspun since it controls oils really well and this powder is meant to be luminous. Setting the rest of my face with the fluffy powder brush. Bronzing with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette to warm up my face and add some definition back into it. Adding a glowy blush topper and highlighting with the same Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette. This has been my go-to face palette for over a year now. I need them to release more face palettes. Hitting all of the high points with highlight. Framing the bottom lash line with the crease shade, Comfort Zone. Highlighting with the shade I'm in it. This is a pretty frosty white that has a pink reflect in the light. I of course had to top my highlight with it. Melting all the powders into the skin with the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. Yes, it's almost time to tint my brows again. Setting them in place all day with the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. Lining and tight lining my eyes with the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. My allergies have been so bad recently that it almost hurts to put on eyeliner. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara in black. This mascara is so good, it doesn't transfer, but it comes right off with water. I'm nervous for how it's gonna hold up with sweating this summer. I need a waterproof version, please. Finishing the look off with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.